everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is another BoxyCharm unboxing. I just received my BoxyCharm in the mail for the month of January. So if you want to see when I got my BoxyCharm for the month of January, just keep on watching. Open it up and see what's inside. So this month is Boxy and Chill. And we see we received 5 full-size products. And the first thing I'm gonna pull out is the Bite Beauty Amuse lipstick. Ooh. So this is the Bite Beauty. I love the little packaging. I never had a Bite Beauty lipstick before. Packaging. Ooh, it's a nice, pretty purple. Come on, camera. Oh, there you go. And it has like, it looks like it's wet. It's supposed to be like that, or just because it traveled? Here it is, close up. Really pretty. You see that bee right there? It's a really pretty shade. Let's swatch it. Ooh, nice and creamy. So there it is. There it is. It's Spritzer. The shade name is Spritzer. Okay, so this one retails for. This one, where is it? Bite. Retails for $26. The next one is this Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisturize Leave-In Mask for your hair. So you got this hair and mask leave-in treatment spray, which we all want that. It smells so good. It reminds me like a salon. And this one retails for $16. This is the Super Moisturizing and Straightening Leave-In Conditioner, provides reparative benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of micro encapsulated argan oil. It has B vitamins, coconut oil, biotone, so it helps to promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. And the next is this Wonder Beauty Volume and Curl Lash, which we got. Didn't we get this? Another BoxyCharm box? Huh. But you know what? It's okay because I love it. So this one, come on, camera. This is a Wonder Beauty mascara. If you guys haven't seen this one yet, it's like a little tube. And then here's a wand right here, which I love this mascara. It's nice. Gives you a nice volume to your lashes. And this one retails for, where are you? Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. This one retails for $24. And the next is this Tarte High Performance Neutrals Rainforest Sea Sizzle Eyeshadow Palette. I love this packaging. Let's see. Oh yes, I don't have this one. So pretty. Look at that packaging. Oh my goodness, look at it. It's like rough, like rocks. Oh, look at that. And this is what it looks like inside. Your pinks. Come on. So you have your pinks, your purples, your browns, lots of shimmer shades. I want to take a picture of this and then I'll add a clip of swatches. Is that bad of me? I just want to take a picture of it. Okay, I'm going to swatch the Sizzle eyeshadow palette from Tarte, which is this beauty right here. So it's this pretty palette right here. I'm excited I got this one and not the other one, because I already have the other one. So let's get to swatching. Kite Surf. Alright, let's do this. My first time doing swatches like this. You can barely see it on the camera. Alright, we're gonna do Snorkel. Oh, this one's moving. Snorkel. Pretty, like purplish pinkish. And then we're gonna do Paddleboard. This is a matte one. And then next we're gonna do High Tide. Oh, that one's pretty. And then next, Off Duty. Another matte one. Sandcastle. Ooh, really pretty. Starfish. Starfish. And then we're gonna do Playa. Playa, Playa. Another matte one. Now you can barely see. You guys barely see it. So those are all the swatches. So it's 1, 2, 3 mattes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmers. Really pretty. I'm glad I got this palette because I do not have this palette and I love Tarte shadows. And this one retails for, so there's the Rainforest of the Sea Sizzle eyeshadow palette. This one retails for $36. And then last but not least, so excited for this, is a Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and we get 2. We get 2. So these are the masks right here. My voice. And then this one retails for $24. Nourish skin from within using the lightweight blend of rich germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. So excited to try these. So cool. Okay, let's add all this up. Remember, you just paid $21. So 16 for the hair mask treatment, 36 for the Tarte eyeshadow palette, 24 for the mascara, 24 for the Tatcha mask, and 26 for the Bite Beauty. That totals up for $126, and all you have to do is pay $21. So if you're not signed up for BoxyCharm, you better get to it. I mean, hello, what are you doing? It's like the best thing ever. So again, thank you BoxyCharm for sending me all these goodies. But I mean, these two alone, goodness. So let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm, and then we'll compare. I'll leave all the, you know, the sizes of the box, the dimensions, the weight, how much it weighed. That way you guys can see if you guys are getting the same box, or maybe you guys get something different. So that completes this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Come on guys, help me out here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.